This is ARLO Pro 3 bundle, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and overall manage the sound detection feature in this camera. So first you will need to take your phone, then launch the ARLO Secure app, then go into the routines section, select the mode you would like to, first of all select the mode that your camera is currently in, or select the mode that you would like to change those sound detection preferences for. Then tap at the Add Device Rules, select the camera in question, save. Now go into its rules, and here you have the audio detected or audio detection toggle. Once enabled, that means that the feature itself is also active. If you would like to switch it off, do that. As simple as that. And once the audio detection is enabled, you can also customize the rules or the actions that will follow. Here I have the record a video or activate a siren. I can add any or all of those actions here, and once again activate any or all of them, as you can see. So now let me also show how you can change its sensitivity. So go into the devices, select your camera, go into settings, default mode settings, and here you have your audio detection sensitivity that you can adjust and switch between values of 1 and 5. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.